Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Braze for Lifecycle messaging in mobile apps. Complete guide step by step clearly. To register with Braze for Lifecycle messaging in mobile apps, begin by visiting the Braze website. Locate the Sign Up button on the homepage and click it. Fill in the required information in the registration form, including your full name, email address, and company details. Create a strong password that meets the specified security requirements. After completing the form, click on the Create Account button. Check your email for a verification message from Braze. Open the email and click on the verification link to confirm your account. Once verified, log in to your new Braze account. You'll be directed to the Braze dashboard, which provides an overview of your messaging tools. Next, navigate to the Settings tab in the dashboard. In the Settings menu, find the API Keys section to generate your keys. Click on the Create API Key button. Label your new key for easy identification, such as Mobile App Integration. Once you create the key, make sure to copy it and store it securely. Now, proceed to integrate the Braze SDK into your mobile app. Refer to the Braze SDK documentation specific to your platform, either iOS or Android. Follow the integration instructions closely, including adding the required dependencies to your project. Initialize the Braze SDK within your app's codebase using the API key you generated earlier. To set up user attributes, start by tracking user information such as email, name, and custom properties. Use Braze user identification features to link the user's data with their unique Braze ID. Next, configure lifecycle messaging settings within the Braze dashboard. Explore the messaging section and choose the types of messages you want to implement, such as push notifications and in-app messages. Set up triggers for your messages based on specific user actions or events. Draft your messaging content using Braze built-in templates or create custom templates. Test your messaging setup by sending test messages to ensure everything functions correctly. Once satisfied with the testing, launch your lifecycle messaging campaign. Monitor performance through the Analytics section in the dashboard to track engagement and effectiveness. Continuously optimize your messaging strategy based on user feedback and data insights. Engage with Braze support if you encounter any issues or need further assistance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.